This is a ball screw. Its job is simple. 1 rotation, 1 linear movement. When selecting a ball screw, two terms often cause confusion: pitch and lead. Let's start with pitch. Pitch is the distance between two adjacent threads. It describes the screw's physical structure. Lead focuses on motion. It tells you how far the nut travels when the screw makes one full rotation. For a single start ball screw, 1 rotation follows 1 thread, so pitch equals lead. For multi-start screws, 1 rotation advances along multiple threads, resulting in a larger lead. A smaller lead means finer control and higher precision. A larger lead means faster linear speed. So remember, pitch defines structure, lead defines motion. Understand pitch and lead, and your ball screw will run accurately and smoothly.